Welcome all. In this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install latest version of Python program in your Windows machine. So open any of your favorite browsers and type Python download. First link will be the official website of Python. So click on it. If you scroll down, you can find all the recent versions of Python, but I prefer the latest one. So you can click on the download Python 3.9.0, then click on save file. Now after download completed, go to the downloaded folder and double click on that executable file. Click on run button and it will start the process of installation. You can see it has two methods. One is default one and second one is customizable. You can see the default one has the installation directory, a long and weird one, so I prefer the customizable. But before that, check that add Python to path. It will automatically add the Python into the environmental variables. Now these are the components that are going to be installed. Click on next, and this is the page which I was talking about. These are the components which you will customize: precompile standard library, download debugging symbols, etc. and above all, install for all users. If you tick on that, you can see the installation path will be in the program files. You can change according to you, but I prefer the default one. You can set another according to you by clicking on the browser button. Now click on install and it will start the process of installation. Now click on the disable path limit. It will decrease the length of the path of your Python. You can see the setup was successful. Now close it. Now I'll show you. Now open the start menu to see what are the components that are installed during this process. These are the first four components that has been installed. The first one is the editor software, through which you can edit or run your Python programs. Second one is the module, and the last one is the command line of Python. Let me show you a demo how you can use it, but before that I'll increase the font size so that you can see in a better way. Let me quick type of command by printing hello world message and hit enter. You can see the message is printed here. You can create a file by clicking on the file option and create new one. And here also you can type the command, type the codes, and the main important part is you have to save it with the extension of .py, which will tell the machine that this is a Python file. I've saved it in desktop location. You can see it here. Now to run that file, go to the file option and open it through that location. Then click on run module, or you simply can press the F5 button to run that file. We have successfully run our program. Now I'll show you the documentation part that has come with this software. You can read it to get better knowledge about Python. Now the fourth one, which is the Python command prompt. Here also you can type and run your Python scripts directly. Let me show you a program. Now finally, how you can run or access Python through command line argument. So open command prompt, type python space hyphen version. It will show the version of the installed Python. Also check the pip version also. Now to open Python, you just have to type python and hit enter. It will open up the Python shell directly through the command line, and you can continue your Python programming from here. So it was a quick tutorial on how you can download and use all the components that has come with this Python program.